I found a leather coat, pants, mobile phones.
Adult toys? How does that sound? Yeah? You tell me how that got down there.
I've known him like 50 odd years. We've been best mates and, well, since we were kids. Yeah.
And we grew up in
the same street.
First day we both started in Welsh Water, we were both standing on the steps outside the office, and one of the bosses came out and he said, I got a perfect job for you today. Go over there, if you can last one day with the smell, you'll be there for life. And that's where we spent the next 40 years.
The kind of jobs we have been doing is clearing blockages.
Well, the worst problem we got in Welsh Water at the moment is wet wipes, since they've been about. Because they don't break up, and it's just caused havoc with the sewers, and cotton buds as well. Well, it's nice to go to someone's house when they're in trouble and help them out, and you can see how happy they are. It's a nice feeling.
It's gone quick, to be honest. He's carried me a bit, I think.
He's got the brains.
He's got the brawn. What I will miss when I do retire would be the satisfaction I get out of the job, meeting customers, going to different places, and the people I work with.
I'm going to pick a set of darts and I'm going to beat them, and that'll be it. That's when I retire.
Yeah. In your dreams.